In this video, I am going to teach you how to combine multiple layouts into a single PDF file using AutoCAD. This is perfect when you want to create a complete drawing set for printing or sharing. Let's get started. First, open your AutoCAD and sign into your account. Make sure both the source and destination drawings are open. Then, go to the Layout tab at the bottom of your workspace. You can click through them to ensure everything is ready. Next, click the print icon located at the top right corner of your screen. This will open the Plot dialog box. Under the What to Plot section, select all layouts from the drop-down menu. This option tells AutoCAD to include every layout in the PDF. If you are okay with the print settings, click Plot to start the process. AutoCAD will generate a single PDF with all selected layouts. And that's how you combine multiple layouts into one PDF in AutoCAD. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more helpful tutorials. See you next time!